Deals here. We're out here in Lufkin, Texas. We have a Cat 420E backhoe, 4-wheel drive, open ROPS unit with the backhoe. It is not an extend boom, but pretty nice unit overall. It does have an issue with the rear backhoe unit not working. It's some sort of electrical issue or something else, probably not a pump issue, because the front arm works and the bucket tilts and does all its functions it's supposed to. So we'll give you a quick walk-around video. We'll point out the issue we've seen with this unit and overall show the rest of the condition, and you guys can take your best judgment call on this one and bid accordingly. Joystick unit, pretty nice. Starts right up, no issues there. Runs pretty clean as far as running on the engine side. Tires in the front are good, the rear ones have come off. Front ones are pretty decent. Runs good. No blow by at all. Runs good on that. Accelerates good as well. You know, all the functions are seeming to work just fine. Seat's got a rip in it. Uh-oh, I just locked that out. I just locked this out. Let's see if I can fix it real quick. Darn it. Okay, we'll get that down. The hour meter's not showing either. It is mid plate is here. Go ahead and put that down. Go ahead and get you a quick operations video. None of the cylinders are leaking besides here. All the ones in the back seem to be pretty good. But of course I can't operate the back and show you, so. As you can see, it starts up fine. The boom works fine, the bucket works fine. It just will not go forward or backwards. Obviously the tires are off also, and the backhoe portion of it we're able to get to work. So if you're interested in this unit, please give us a call. It's located here in Lufkin, Texas, 972-666-9501. Thank you.